Very good day, friends. I am Said Zokai Arani, and today, following the previous tutorial about Facebook Live support, live chat support, today I'm going to show you another way of getting support from Facebook, which is the Facebook developer support. For those who didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel and it's the first time for them that are using this content, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and see if this content is suitable for you. Please don't hesitate to like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any queries or questions or comments, please comment it down under the video and I'm going to and one more time, thank you for being with Muted Africa and following my YouTube channel. Okay, let us start. If you remember, we explained how can you get in the first video, how can you get a support from live chat from Facebook. On the second video, we gave some troubleshooting or why you do for this live chat is not available for some of you. In the third video, we went and gave some other idea about publishing support portal and about instant article support, which all of them you can get some support from Facebook based on the queries that you have. If you need to see those videos, please go to video number 3 for Facebook publisher support or instant article support. Today we are going to developer support, which is the fourth video of the training of getting help from Facebook. For that, you only need to open the developer.facebook.com/support and then it will open this page. If you don't worry, I will share this link for you in the description so you will be able to receive and copy it and just type it in your browser. So after you are here on support, you should make sure that you are a developer for Facebook. If you are not a developer, then you need to register as a developer, which is easy. By scrolling down, you can see it's written register as a developer. So you can register as a developer based on the page that you are managing and get support from Facebook. After you registered, you can scroll down and you can see direct support. And you can ask a question in the business suite inbox. You just click on direct support. In direct support, you will go and select the page that you are managing, and after you open it, it will give you in a new window, it will give you an option of asking a question, or you can open a questions if you have any question in the past. So you just click on the ask a question, a pop-up will become and you can select from the topic. Okay, your question is about bugs and troubleshooting, or is about human escalation paths for bots, or message template, onboarding, phone number and registration issue. If you have any of them, you can select, and each one of these topics will give you different options. I'm going to select the last one, phone numbers. For phone numbers, you will see there is a title. You will type your title. The title should be more than 10 letters, for example, and the description should be more than 30 characters. And you can see after 30 it will be it's active now. You can, and then there is a request type. So then you will select what is your request type. You have a question about registration, you have a registration issue, you have a certificate number that not available for you, or any understand quality rating. Any of them you can select. If it's not part of this, then if your question or query is not part of this category, you can select any of these and find your the most related topic for your problem in Facebook. And right now we are going to select that we have a registration issue that I'm going to click. After that, it will give you it asks you to put the WhatsApp account ID. For WhatsApp account ID, you should add your WhatsApp account ID. If you don't know how to find your WhatsApp account ID, this is the way I'm going to show you. The only way is that you should make sure that you connected your account to your WhatsApp account to your Facebook. For this, you go to your Facebook, and in the left, click on the page that you are managing. For example, open the page that you are managing. After that, the only thing you need to do is to go to setting. When you go to the setting, in the left side, where the Instagram is, the WhatsApp is also there. As you know that Facebook recently bought WhatsApp, so WhatsApp is also part of this family. So you click on WhatsApp. In here, you add your WhatsApp number, whatever it is, then, or you can change it, and you can highlight this one and make it on, that you can see the WhatsApp or what. So this is your WhatsApp account, but in this platform, it doesn't show you your WhatsApp ID. If you want to see your WhatsApp ID, you need to go to your business suite. You go to your page again. At the top, go to the business suite. When you open your business suite, you can see that in the left side, there is another option that is written more tools. You just click on more tools. Then after you click on more tools, you can see different items, different menus. You just go to page setting, open the page setting, a new window will be open for you. In a new page setting, on the left is written WhatsApp. You just click on WhatsApp, and then in this side you can see that your WhatsApp account is connected or is not connected. So this is the second part that you can check if your WhatsApp is connected or not connected. After you make sure that your WhatsApp is connected here and it's written connected, everything is showing here, then you need to go back to your business suite, and in your business suite, just click on the setting down, and then in a setting it will show you the information, account information. And for this part, you go to more business setting. In more business setting, you will see your WhatsApp and other information, WhatsApp account. When you click on your WhatsApp account, this is where exactly you can find your ad account or Instagram account or commerce account, whatever is linked to your page. In WhatsApp account is here. Then here you can select your WhatsApp ID. By clicking on WhatsApp ID, Facebook WhatsApp ID, or whatever you called it, then you can go to the help center and type your WhatsApp account ID, and after it's coming here, you select it, then it will be available for you. Then you will ask other question, like registration, API request. If you have any API request registration, you can type it. If not, you can put not applicable. Then Facebook will let you pass this, because you cannot fill it empty, and you need to put some information for that. So I'm going to write it not applicable. And if you have any queries, you can click on add attachment. If you have a screenshot of the error that you have, add attachment, add that screenshot and just confirm and send it for Facebook, and they will respond in 2 hours to 4 hours or one working days. They are very fast. In case you're sending during the working hours that Facebook team are working, they will respond as soon as possible. Hope this will help you for get help from Facebook. This is an alternative way, as mentioned, and hopefully this can work for you. And if you have any other topics, as I said, you should select from this part and just go and find it. One more time, thank you friends for being with me and being with Muted Africa YouTube channel. Hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries and questions, please note them down under the comments. I will go through them and answer. Thank you so much. Good day, friends.